So Sony is looking forward to commercialize the 21:9 aspect ratio display this year. We have an exact idea of what this design will look like, and now the company has given a name to this particular view. Sony calls it Cinema Wide, and hopefully it will apply to at least 5 new phones. Yup, the Xperia XZ4 is not the only one that will admire a whole new experience. Instead, you'll get to see a complete smartphone's range. To create some distinguishing factors in terms of look, Sony will repeat their mistake. The Xperia XZ4 has got leaked through these renders, and as you can see, the device features the same tall aspect ratio, and yeah, there's no bottom chin, but you'll have to deal with that top bezel if you consider this device. I have no problem with this design or specification, but when it comes to that top bezel, I'll surely prefer this look. Again, the design comes with some positive sides too. That is, the display has no interfering bug, and you'll be able to reach the corners of this display easily as there's no bottom chin, and also the width of this phone is better than the predecessor model. Well, after that, the Xperia XZ4 do exist with a 21:9 aspect ratio display and a minimal bezel view. The device is rumored to feature an insane camera implementation, and the wow factor doesn't end here. The Xperia XZ4 will be powered by the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 chipset coupled with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, and at the top of that, it will pack a 4400 mAh battery. The information belongs to a very reliable source, and interestingly, the device is expected to come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. That is remarkable as the Xperia XZ3 no longer has a headphone connection, but with this model, it seems like Sony regret doing that. So it's here. The Xperia XZ4 is going to compete with Galaxy S10 with all these upgrades, and I'm actually excited for a Sony phone after a very long time. If this is for true, I'm gonna consider this as the next upgrade. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.